Today, we're diving into a comprehensive comparison between the brand new Fujifilm X-E5 and the Fujifilm X100VI. The X100VI took the camera world by storm in early 2024 with massive pre-orders and a fixed 23mm f2 lens that quickly won over fans of compact, street-friendly shooters. On the other hand, the X-E5 brings similar internals, but with the flexibility of interchangeable lenses and a fresh XF 23mm f2.8 pancake lens that keeps things light and nimble. But the big question is, which one is best for your needs and style? Well, let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two compact mirrorless cameras and see which one is the right choice for you. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Let's start off with design and build quality, where both cameras shine with their retro-inspired looks, but cater to slightly different tastes. The X100VI maintains a sleek, compact profile with a built-in fixed lens and hybrid viewfinder that includes both electronic and optical displays. That optical viewfinder is a nostalgic nod to traditional rangefinders, offering a unique shooting experience where you can see beyond the frame, which is great for timing shots in street or travel photography. On the other hand, the X-E5 embraces a cleaner, more modern aesthetic. Its redesigned top plate, repositioned shutter dial, and deeper grip area make it feel a touch more premium, almost like a miniature GFX 100 RF. It also has a more versatile flip-out touchscreen that tilts up 180 degrees for selfies or vlogging, but it does come with lower resolution than the X100VI's screen. So while the X100VI leans into classic charm with a functional twist, the X-E5 offers a refined, functional design that feels fresh and user-friendly for those who value ergonomic improvements and flexibility. When it comes to lens flexibility, the Fujifilm X-E5 clearly pulls ahead on paper. It uses the X-mount system, giving you access to a broad range of Fujifilm lenses, from ultra-wide to telephoto. That means you're not locked into one focal length, making the X-E5 an incredibly versatile choice, especially if it's your only camera. Fujifilm even launched a new XF 23mm f2.8 pancake lens alongside it, weighing just 90 grams, which is small enough to keep the setup compact and street-ready. On the other hand, the X100VI features a fixed 23mm f2 lens, which is slightly brighter and more compact than the new pancake option. That f2 aperture makes a noticeable difference in background blur and low-light performance, which is many photographers truly appreciate. While you can't swap lenses, the fixed design ensures optimized performance without needing additional gear. So if you value simplicity and image quality in a small package, the X100VI stands strong. But for those craving lens variety and future flexibility, the X-E5 is the better pick. In terms of image and video performance, the Fujifilm X-E5 and X100VI are nearly identical under the hood. Both cameras pack a powerful 40-megapixel sensor, delivering rich detail and excellent dynamic range. They also feature in-body image stabilization, the X-E5 having a slight edge with rated up to 7 stops at the center, which is great for handheld shooting in low light. Video capabilities are similarly matched, offering up to 6K at 30 frames per second, but it's worth noting that video features are somewhat buried in the menus, reinforcing that both models are primarily designed for still photography. Autofocus is driven by the same X-Processor 5 engine, offering fast and intelligent subject detection. But the X-E5 introduces a customizable autofocus zones that aren't just resizable, but also reshape-able from square to rectangular. It's a small yet thoughtful tweak that street shooters will appreciate. In short, you'll get the same high-end imaging performance from either model, but the X-E5 edges forward with smarter controls and a touch more stabilization. Moving on to viewfinder and controls, the Fujifilm X100VI stands out with its hybrid viewfinder, which is a unique combination of electronic and optical displays that offers flexibility no other camera in this category really matches. The optical viewfinder lets you see beyond your frame, which is fantastic for anticipating motion in street or candid photography. Plus, the switch lever on the front makes toggling between the two modes seamless. On the other hand, the X-E5 opts for a purely electronic viewfinder, similar in resolution to the X100VI's EVF, but without the optical option. but it introduces a different kind of front switch, which gives you access to digital and aspect ratio crop modes inspired by the high-end GFX 100 RF. This adds creative versatility, even if it's a little buried in the menu structure. When it comes to tactile experience, the X-E5's repositioned dials and minimalistic layout provide a cleaner and more premium feel. While the X100VI delivers more nostalgia and optical charm, the X-E5 offers a modernized, refined control scheme that might appeal more to users prioritizing ease and customization. As for my final verdict, the Fujifilm X100VI is a top-tier compact camera that checks a lot of boxes. Its fixed 23mm f2 lens, hybrid viewfinder, and iconic design make it a joy to use for street and travel photography, where simplicity and image quality matter most. It's a purpose-built tool that does one thing exceptionally well, and for many people, that's enough. On the other hand, the Fujifilm X-E5 brings nearly identical performance, but adds versatility. Its interchangeable lens mount, refined ergonomics, and creative tools like crop modes and a film simulation dial give it a broader appeal for those who want a single camera that can evolve with their needs. It might lack the charm of the optical viewfinder or the slightly brighter lens, but it offers a more flexible foundation, especially if you're new to the Fujifilm system or already own X-mount lenses. If you love the idea of a classic all-in-one shooter, go with the X100VI. But if flexibility, customization, and future-proofing matter more to you, the X-E5 is the smarter investment.